Okay, kids, are we ready to go to the new toy store? You get to choose one toy each.
Yay! Hooray!
Let's go!
Let's go! We're going to the toy store. Put on your shoes. We're going for a ride. We need to cross the river and drive over the hill. Look, how long will it take us? We're getting so excited. Are we nearly there yet? We're getting very close.
Hey, look! The train is coming!
Oh look, can anybody tell me which animals are sitting on this very train?
Wow!
There are cows and sheep. Look, Baby John.
Yes, and pigs too. Oink, Oh look, right there upon the water. There's lots and lots of boats. I wonder why they're here.
Wow, look at those big boats.
And look, there's small ones too. Yay!
Let's go, we're going to the toy store. Hooray, hooray, we're gonna have some fun. We need to cross the river and drive over the hill.
But how long will it take us? We're getting so excited. Are we nearly there yet?
We're getting very close. Yes, Baby John, look at that hill.
Hold on, we're climbing up the big hill. Just look around at our pretty town.
Look, there it is.
Oh, look, kites. They're flying so high.
Wow, look at the pretty colors.
Look, Jill and Baby John. The ice cream shop.
Yay! And there's a costume store.
Look left, look right, look at the other shops here. But here's the one that you've all been waiting for.
Hey, we're here.
Okay, Baby John, let's get that train.
I picked out a kite. It's shaped like a rocket.